Welcome to Brain Vision.
We have given that maximum pressure is equal to P1 is equal to 100 kPa and maximum pressure at P2 is equal to 1200 kPa. Now maximum temperature is equal to T1 is equal to 20 degrees centigrade and maximum temperature at T3 is equal to 1000 degrees centigrade. As we know that working substance is argon here, so K is equal to 1.667. Now going forward and solving further, we can write pressure ratio is equal to Rp, and Rp is given by P2 by P1. So putting the value of P2 as well as P1 here and solving it, we get the value of Rp. Now compression process is isentropic process. So T2 by T1 is equal to P2 by P1. This formula we will use, whole to the power K minus 1 by K. So T2 by T1 is equal to, putting the value of P2 by P1 here and K minus 1 by K. So we have T2 is equal to 293 into 12 to the power 1.667 minus 1 by 1.667. So on solving this, we get T2 is equal to 791.898 Kelvin. Now thermal efficiency is equal to nth. So this is the formula of thermal efficiency. So on putting the value that are calculated above, we get on calculation 0.63 as answer. So we can write heat addition in cycle is equal to Q in, and the formula for Q in is equal to Cp under bracket T3 minus T2. So 0.5203 into 1273 minus 791.898 on calculating 250.312 kilojoule per kg. Now W net is equal to nth into Q in. This is the formula for W net. So putting the value of nth as well as Q in here and solving this, we get W net as 158 kilojoule per kg. So correct option is option number C.